boiling. And then luto na ang first ko yung luto. And then next set. And then there also. Yeah. Whoa. Another episode of Lex and Candace Tupa's Family Adventures. Yeah, so we're gonna have another gastronomic experience. Food is here in Tongyang. So yeah, this was our favorite when we were young. So we have this in Makati and also in other places in Manila. Guys, so let's try it out. Guys, here's Tongyang. So we have to go around first. Okay, it will take around 30 minutes or an hour. Wala kami sang reservation, right, Kuya? So since we don't have a reservation, we'll just use the time first, around 30 minutes to an hour. And then we'll just go back to Tongyang. It just opened 2 days ago.
1 hour later.
After 1 hour, or almost 1 hour, we'll see. This is the buffet, guys. So it looks like Manila, no? I mean the preparations. So may maximum of 3 hours. And then there's raw meat. This one. Oh yan, favorite ni Lex Top. And then there's this. And then veggies. Hi. Shadow. And dessert. Okay, here's our table. You know, iba talaga ang Ilonggo. Hi. So thank you, Gid, for finding a way for us. Especially for pregnant women. Tapos I told them, seniors and pregnant dapat meron. And then the drinks are there. Mayari pa din mga sauce. And then what's this? Whoa, Kuya, I think you like this. This one? Oh, I like that. Okay, and then those are the drinks. Guys, get the meat. Ate, Kuya, Lexi. Just put it. Guys, may limnon pa. Oh, ice cream, Kuya. And then may halo-halo. Then there. We got na some meat. Yes, and then so this one is for the yung laka, tapos syempre piprito natin.
Mommy, okay. Why you got bananas?
We're cooking now. And then may seafood man. Okay. So thanks to the manager and those syempre mga Ilonggo for being hospitable, but for the guests from other places, make sure to take good care of your Ilonggo customers syempre, especially mga seniors, mga pregnant women, kag may mga toddlers and babies. Here, we're cooking, guys. Yes. First for the kids, the bigger kids. Food. Ikaw, Lex Tom, you like it?
Your love.
How do you like it? Oh, so you ate here
With my mat.
in Jupiter Street, Makati.
While I was doing it.
So it brings memories. Okay, so the food is good. Tapos yung maganda dito sa Iloilo, price niya is almost the same as the price of Tongyang 15 years ago sa Jupiter. So around 700 something lang. Tapos for Lexi, depende kasi sa height, mga 200. Tapos depende rin sa height kay Lex Tom. Si Alexa syempre regular na, so adult price na, 700 plus. So depende rin kung weekend or weekday ka mo. Now it's fish, panga, salmon, and iba pa. Yeah, and pork. So we had 3 hours to finish. So we were able to enter 12:30. So we have until 3:30 p.m. guys. So may time limit din to eat all you can. So ginagawa namin, merong sugba, tas merong laka. Okay? And fish naman ako. And some pork. So salmon, and then may panga. There. Yes. So it looks like parang lunch dinner na natin to. And then just to be sure on the safe side, you have to arrive. Hindi na kayo magka-problema sa hila and to get your seats or your tables. Yes. So let us finish first, and then we'll get back to with regards to our final verdict with the food here in Tongyang, Iloilo City. What do you think? You guys like the food? Yeah. Like the place? Wifey? Yeah, so it's good place. Ang important lang if you can be here early para make sure lang may may table. Or if wala, you have to really patiently wait. But hopefully they'll be able to prioritize syempre ang pregnant women and those seniors because dahil gano'n naman talaga, di ba? We give priority to those, even the differently able. Yes, guys. So thanks again for joining us in our gastronomic adventure and tour here in the city of Iloilo. So welcome to Tongyang, Iloilo City. So like, comment.
Subscribe.
Thanks, guys. Join us again in our next vlog. Bye.